Hello lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. So today we are making Banga Stew, Ofe Akwu. Yeah, in my dialect we call it Ofe Akwu. So this is palm fruit. The palm fruit is gotten from the palm tree. As you know, there's nothing wasting in the palm tree. Everything in the palm tree is all useful. All right, so today I'm going to take you through the process of making this Ofe Akwu. So you saw when I was washing the palm fruits. After washing it, so this is me. I've already pounded it, pounding it very soft, so the oil can be easily extracted. Now I'm done pounding. I'm trying to scoop it out from the mortar. All right, this is a very long process. It's very long process, but it's our native food, one of our native food. Yes, it's, you can use it to eat with white rice. You can actually eat with eba, gari, simo, or whatever, but majorly is white rice. So this particular stew has so many ingredients, which is natural ingredients. Not really much, but all is natural. There is no artificial ingredient in it. Okay, now I'm done scooping it out. You can see I'm giving you a thumbs up because I'm done. Now I'm about to wash the mortar. While washing the mortar, I needed to add a little warm water in order to make the oil to come out easily without staining everywhere. So just watch the process, okay? You will enjoy it. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe to my channel. All right, now I am done washing it. While washing it, after scooping it from the mortar, I added warm water and cold water together so my hand can, yeah, you see. Okay, just wash the process. After washing it, I have to shifter it with this blue shifter. Then I'm trying to turn it. You can see this black stuff, you can see the sand down there. Now I have to shifter it. You see, I'm trying to point at it so you can see it all over. That's the black, the sand and other waste stuff that is not needed in the Ofe Akwu. Okay, all right, so now I'm about to take my pepper. You can actually use dried pepper or fresh pepper, but in this recipe I decided to take my fresh pepper from the freezer. Yeah, I don't know, I said let me ask you, is this the best method of storing pepper and tomatoes in the fridge, or do you prefer grinding it, blending it before storing? Please, if you watch this video to this point, let me know what you think about this particular question I just asked. Okay, now I'm using crayfish to make this particular recipe. Crayfish is one of the ingredients, very necessary. There are other ingredients, but if I call the name, most of us here, especially the foreigners, you may not really understand. So there is no point in mentioning all of them because it will sound weird in your eye, in your ear. You won't just understand it. So there is no point calling their names. Okay. So this is my dry fish, my catfish, and the other fish. I don't know the name, but the fish is given. Now this is another important thing. This is scent leaf. You all know what scent leaf is all about. So this is scent leaf, is the leaf needed in this recipe. You can actually add vegetable leaf, that's pumpkin leaf. Yeah, you can actually add it with the scent leaf, but the scent leaf, to me, I prefer the scent leaf because it's always giving me the aroma that I want. Trust me, if you make this Ofe Akwu without scent leaf, you've done nothing. It's just nothing. It won't give. I mean the fresh ones, not even the dried ones. All right, so this is stockfish I'm using. I didn't want to mention all of them one after the other. I just wanted, when I come across the video, anyone I come across, I will tell you about it. Okay, so this is stockfish, and this particular fish, you can see this fish is so good. You can even tell from the look of the fish that it will be given. I like using dry fish and stockfish and some other thing. Okay, even cow skin. Yeah, I think I used cow skin, but I didn't show it in the video. I did not record it. Now this is the catfish I'm using. Now see what I'm doing. I'm trying to use hot water to wash it first. I know this is how almost all of us do it because it's going to reduce the sand, if there is any sand in it, and if there's any jam, sometimes I add a little salt to it. Okay, so when I add a little salt, it will help it reduce. It's going to it's going to help it reduce the it's going to help it reduce if there's any sand in it. It's going to help it reduce the sand. Now this is another meat. This is cow meat that I've already frozen in the fridge. And after the cow meat, I'm here plucking the scent leaf. I needed to pluck it, wash it, and cut it. I'm done cutting the scent leaf. Like I said earlier, scent leaf is one of the major ingredient in this particular food. Without scent leaf, no way. It's not even given. You won't even know. But trust me, after making this food, someone from the neighboring compound will be perceiving it, though you may not even know where they are making the food. So it's just the best for me, and I love it. Please keep watching. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please can you kindly subscribe to my channel. All right, now I'm about to put the catfish, but now I've earlier put the stockfish. You know, stockfish is always stronger than this, so I didn't even need this to boil so well. Don't mind my voice, don't mind the way I'm talking. I just woke up now, so I needed to record this video. Now this is pepper and the crayfish that I was pounding earlier. You see the food is already getting set at this time. It's already getting set. You can see. If you're a lover of Ofe Akwu, if you're a Nigerian, I'm very sure you know about this particular food. If you're a Nigerian, you will know about this. Majority of us love it. Even non-Igbos love it. So if you are seeing this, my food, please can you give me a thumbs up in the comment section? And if you are yet to follow me, please can you follow me? Now, this is the natural ingredient that was blended. I blended it in the market. I didn't buy it just like this. I blended it by myself from the market. So I had to make sure that I selected the ones, just the particular ones I needed. So I got it blended. After blending it, then I had to tie it. So I didn't buy it just like that. Okay? All right. So keep watching. Keep subscribing. Now I needed to lower the heat. Okay? And while the food is boiling, you know, previously it was watery, so while it's boiling it will be getting thicker the most. So this is the nut cube I'm using. Nut cube is my favorite. Not chicken is my favorite. That's what I use in almost all my food, so I give a thumbs up to no people. All right, keep watching. I added my salt. Now you can see this is one of the evidence to know that the Ofe Akwu is getting set. You see the oil coming up. You can see the oil. So when the oil starts floating on the food, then you know, oh yeah, it's coming up. You can see it's coming up. It's getting done. Now I'm adding my scent leaf. The food is almost done. Anytime you're cooking and you add veggies, that means the food is already done. So guys, this is the process with how I make my Ofe Akwu. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for always watching. Bye.